Okay, so the very first one, I have written the formula up here. I have substituted right here, area equals 1/2 times 12 times 5. And when I multiply all those together, you can do them in any order. So you can do 12 times 5 is 60, and half of that is 30, or you can do 1/2 times 12 is 6, times 5 is 30. Either way, you get to 30 kilometers squared. Notice my writing all of my steps here. This one, I just used this right up here and I substituted in area equals 1/2 times 6 times 4. Again, you can do half of 6 times 4 is 12. You can do 6 times 4 is 24, and then half of that still equals 12 inches squared. Down here is a little bit more complicated. You'll notice what I did down here is I drew my little pictures like I like to do. So I found this first, which is 10 times 4, which is 40. I also put it right up here. And then the second one, a little bit more complicated, 1/2 times 10 times 3. And that is 15 meters squared. And you could put a little 15 in here. And then down below I drew a little picture and I did 40 plus 15 is 55 meters squared. Don't forget the label. Moving down to our last one. Again, I rewrote the formula. We need to commit that one to memory. So I knew that my area was 45 and that equaled 1/2 of 10 times some number, the height. And so I substituted, I multiplied those two together and I got 45 equals 5 times h. And I knew that 5 times 9 is 45, or I could divide both sides by 5. So 9 feet is what the height equals right there. You may run into some that require you to multiply or even sometimes divide by decimal. So don't forget our previous units. Use your math notebooks if you need to remember where that decimal point goes when you're multiplying or dividing. Should be a pretty straightforward lesson. See me if you have any questions, but also consult your notes and then the examples in the book. Good luck to you all.